Welcome to my channel Image and Background. Here you can learn how to quickly create different backgrounds footage in the After Effects program. Also, on this channel I will post small education videos of various areas helping you opening, learning something new to use in your work or hobby. You can freely use footage color during educational videos. Important to know creation some footage as requires some Python plugin signs the speed of the process and make this much easier. I will give backgrounds with the text while you're free to do their usage. Want to remind that this channel's owner is self-taught and don't have professional design education. However, my videos code save you much time because you mostly code, skip chair and start practicing right away. You will learn how to make beautiful and simple background with a couple of minutes, just following my steps on videos. I will show all the buttons present. On my second channel Machine Footage you can download ready-to-use footage and use it in your videos. But I strongly ask to specify original footage only. You can even monetize your videos. In exchange, I just simply ask for likes and comments. Feel free to ask questions or give suggestions in the comment section. Business cooperation, welcome to my email address. We say bzz, 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 and I say like and subscribe.